Well, it could be extremely meaningful, Shep. We now have two highly effective, proven vaccines against COVID-19. As Dr. Fauci put it today, the cavalry are coming. Former FDA Commissioner Dr. Scott Gottlieb, who's on the board of Pfizer, also weighed in on the potential impact this morning on CNBC.
I think what it means is that once we get these vaccines in sufficient quantities heading into 2021, the combination of the fact that, a lot of the population will have already had COVID, combined with the fact that we'll be vaccinating the public with a highly effective vaccine, we could effectively end this pandemic in 2021 with our technology.
And of course, when that happens will depend on the supply of these vaccines and how many people decide to take them, Shep.
What are the differences between Moderna's vaccine, the one we heard about today, and then Pfizer's vaccine?
Well, they're based on the same technology, this messenger RNA technology, but they do have a few differences. One, of course, the efficacy rate, both above 90%. You've got Moderna at 94.5, Pfizer more than 90%. That's pretty similar. One difference is the dosing schedule. Both of them are 2 shots. Moderna's will be 4 weeks apart. Pfizer's are 3 weeks apart. And then a really big difference is how they're stored. Pfizer's needs to be kept incredibly cold, negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 6 months. It can be put into the fridge for 5 days. Moderna's only negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 months, and it can be kept in the fridge up to 30 days, Shep.
So the question is, when can we get it? Where do things go from here? What does the FDA need to do to approve a vaccine?
So both of these companies are going to file with the FDA for emergency use authorization over the coming weeks. Then the FDA is going to pull together a meeting of outside advisors, and we should get a lot more data then, and we'll be able to see how they deliberate over these vaccines. The FDA will then decide if they give the green light. The CDC has an advisory group which will then make recommendations over who should get this vaccine, which vaccine, who should be prioritized, all of that. And that's expected to play out just over the coming weeks.
Meg Terrell, thank you. Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.